Bro, thank you. On the previous video, I'll show you that I make a problem to install Android 11 ROM 108 3.1 on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, I have found the solution. Look at, it's installed now. It's working. Look at, wow. Now it's working. It's working. Do you believe it? You can choose your language. Okay, United, and well done. This is why I want to show you how to install this. There's the link of this ROM in the description. You can download this and install on the S9 Plus, as you can see, S9 also, and Note 9. Now let me turn off this thing and show you how to install this. Okay, wonderful. First of all, you need to install TWP on your phone. This is something I have done. Okay, in the previous video I'll show you this. You can see how to install this for your phone. Okay, because every phone has its TWP files. Okay, now if it is installed, hold BSB button here, and volume up and power button in the same time to access to TWP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? Wonderful. This is TWP. Do this. Wonderful. If you install for the first time, come here, you can enter yes and you validate. And what you can do, you can copy your home, the home that you can download in the description. After validate this, you copy directly the ROM directly on your phone, okay, to access to this. I have done this in the previous video. Now I can continue. Let's move on and do this. The problem that I have made in the previous installation is this. When I come here, I don't know how to use. I don't know. Now I have found the solution. The things that you need to use to select is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only all of this. Only this. Okay. Only this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When it's done, the thing that you need to do is simple. Click on this and let access to the ROM field that you are transferred to your internal storage or SD card if you have SD card. Okay, when you are finished to copy this ROM directly on your phone, click on install and let's check. As you can see, this ROM is not here. Okay, it's not here. Now let's try again. I need to do something like that to reset. Okay, let's when I reset all of this, go back, click on home, click on web, advanced web, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice, 7, 5. Now do something like that, and let me transfer this ROM directly in my internal storage right now. First of all, click on power button to close this thing and connect your beautiful. Okay, it's connected to my computer. Now I want to transfer this feed directly to my phone. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, I have this ROM on my phone, and this is NobleRom for Note9, S9, and S9 Plus. Do something like that and select your phone. As you can see, S9 Plus, and the transfer started. the transfer started. Okay, wait again. As you can see on this screen, the process continue. You need to wait for it finishing. Okay, wonderful. As you can see on this screen, process finished. Nothing. Now I can close all of this. Okay, I can continue the job. Okay, now I can remove my cable. Now power button, unlock this phone, and click on install. Select storage, select the internet storage. Oh, where is this? Where are you? Normally you will see this thing here. Okay, let me restart my phone and find this thing. Okay, I put my phone on power off and turn off. Now this button of the new app to try to access to TWIP 1 2 3 4 5. Wonderful. And let's try to see. Okay, now as you can see, I have just actualized my phone. Okay, now I do this and this, and the installation can start right now. Okay, if you are ready to install this, you can go. If you're not ready, don't install. Okay, make sure that you have the official firmware from Samsung. Okay, if you want to go back, you can do this. Now this is all information you need to know about this one. This is 3.1 security patch level March 2021. This is a new ROM. Okay, this is for Note9, Note S9 Plus and S9. Thank you. If you know this, let's go. This is S9 Plus. Wonderful. You can select what you want here. Clean system data and another. Okay, click on next. You can choose what you want here, but I recommend you to let this like that. Click on next, and you have all of this. You can choose what you want, but I want to choose this. Okay, Alexi deployed. Okay, I have all of this. Okay, next for me. Okay, you can select what you want to install. Calls. Okay, call recorder. Okay, nice and wonderful. Another one. You can choose what you want and the process can start. Wonderful. Okay, you need to wait just 2 minutes, as you can see here, and the process will be done. Make sure that you charge your phone. It's very important. Don't turn off your phone also. Very super important. And wait, this is why you need to finish the job. Okay, let's wait for 100% and it's okay. Okay, click on next. Do something about robot system and what? 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, as you can see, now it's working. Now I can install for a brand new 108.3.1 Android 11 on my Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and what? And Note 9. Okay, as you can see, the LED is on. When the LED disappears, The installation is done. It's finished. Okay, wait a few minutes with me and we go. Okay, as you can see, the light disappear. And what is this language? What is this? Where you come from? And well done. Welcome home. This is what I'm talking about. Now you are ready to choose your amazing language. United States. Click on OK. And we are ready to install this together. Okay. Click on Start. Do what you want. You can make your own configuration. And we go. Let me connect to the network. Okay, we are back. We can continue. You need just wait, getting your phone ready. And what? Network working, as you can see here. Working, no problem. Okay, what is this? I don't know, but I don't copy. Just a second. And what? Checking information again. Okay, onto your Google account. I will do this after. And what? Next. More. Okay, fingerprint the number. I will do this after. Hey, what are you doing? Do you believe us? Okay, Skype anyway. What is this again? Okay, Samsung account. No problem. You all set up. Oh. Now it's working. Really? Click on finish. And what is this? Oh, Jesus. How is possible? This is Samsung Galaxy S21 ROM. Yes. Do you believe? Ha! Jesus is Lord. Oh, Jesus is Lord. Thank you, Jesus. You are so beautiful. I love your family. Look at that. Do you believe this? This is now just a quick review. Just a quick. Just to see quick. Okay, nice. Beautiful. About phone. Okay, S9 Plus. Sort of mission. Woo! Android 9, Android Peace, Android 11, 182.5. Really? Oh! Jesus is Lord, really? Jesus is really Lord. Look at that. Ha. Do you believe this? Where is my head screen? Where is my head screen? Maybe when you reinstall, you can have this. Okay, and this is March 1st, 2021. Thank you for this. Wow, camera, beautiful. Is it working? Nice. Hello. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay. Settings. All of my settings. Nice. About. Okay. Version 11. I will make especially a video for that. Okay. In the next video, I will make a test review of this to show you all of this with more details. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and what? And I am here for you, bro. I'm your friend. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. You can also support our channel. My background detail in the description. God bless you. Yes. Look at lock screen right now. What is this thing? This is my brand new love screen. What? Ooh. Okay, I will test this thing in the next video. Get ready. God bless you.